This is an ancient backup file from Windows XP or NT. Modern Windows 10 or 11 cannot open it. You need a small utility to extract your old files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's rescue that data. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening BKF files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. The BKF extension is intended for use with all standard backup file software. The entire file package is controlled by the Windows Backup Utility file format. The BKF File is a proprietary backup file format used by the discontinued Microsoft Windows NTBackup utility. It contains a complete, compressed, and cataloged copy of files and folders from a Windows system drive. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and requires the specific restoration utility designed for Windows NT 2000.xp. Its design rules focus on catalog integrity. The file is unusable without the utility to correctly index the internal file structure and restore the data. The BKF proprietary design mandates association with Microsoft Windows NTBackup. Restore utility from Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows does not decode proprietary backup structures, so compatible software is required for access. We're checking the integrity against known readers. Right-click your BKF file and click Open with. If Microsoft Windows NT Backup Restore Utility is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. You need to test widely. If you still can't open the BKF file, it's okay. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, use Windows NTBackup. Open the file using the original Windows NTBackup utility, which must be downloaded and installed separately for newer Windows versions. Next, check corruption. If NTBackup fails, use a third-party BKF repair recovery tool to scan the file for corruption and salvage the contents. Finally, use a ZIP extractor. In rare cases, if the file was compressed using a standard zip method, rename the file to .zip and attempt extraction with 7-zip. If your system still can't claim the BKF file, we need to step up to a professional decoding tool. That's the key to the final potential solution. When you need a guaranteed fix, File Magic is essential. Its feature set includes instantly viewing a file's content even when it's severely corrupted. Visit filemagic.com for details. That was the most time-saving solution. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.